There are several upgrades for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 today, including one you may not have anticipated. The Galaxy Z Fold May 5th hit the market sooner than anticipated, according to the day's first news item. TechRev on Twitter claims that Samsung is delaying the start of mass production of the hinges until the beginning of June, a month earlier than usual, and that it's possible that the Z Fold 5 will be released in July. Unfortunately, he doesn't explain why, though it's possible that they're doing this to increase competition in the foldable market or simply because they have a new hinge design and want to start earlier in case there are problems. The Z Fold 5's redesigned hinge can now fold entirely flat, making the device significantly smaller than its predecessor and improving the display's endurance. There are still speculations claiming that because of the improved display in this new hinge, the center of the display won't crease, but to be honest, we hear these stories every year. According to recent information, the Z Fold 5 will include batteries that are considerably simpler to change than the S23. In a recent report, some mobile devices claimed that they would once more use less glue and a pull tab to make it much easier to remove. Because fast charging has made battery life shorter than ever, it is always a good idea to have a battery that is simple to replace. This makes it much simpler for those of you who are accustomed to replacing batteries on your own. It should presumably be less expensive if you hire someone else to replace the battery. Although it might not be what you wanted to hear, the Z Fold 5 has been revealed in 3C certification, which also confirms the battery specs. Now that the Z Fold 5 is similar to its predecessor in many ways, the certification revealed a fast charge speed of 25 watts but omitted the capacity. We can be quite certain that it will be close to the same, which was 4,400 mAh. Now, 25 watts seems a little slow for such an expensive device, and wide fast charging hasn't been improved since the Z Fold 2. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.